So this is a great tool that we use to go and demo different types of lights to find out what light is going to look best where. So all it is, it's a very simple battery operated pack that just takes 8 AA batteries, and then what you can do with it is you can actually go and plug in your light, whatever light it is, whether it be a path light, a wash light, a wall light, or an accent light. You can go and just plug that into your Instalight, and you can go walk around your property and test out all the different areas that you're thinking of lighting and seeing which lights look best in which location. Hey guys, it's Cal from The Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoy this video with some more great landscape lighting tips. To learn more about landscape lighting, go and check out our website at lightingdoctor.ca, or if you want to see what a real quality landscape light should look like, go and check out our Try It Before You Buy It offer, where you can get a premium quality fixture at a discounted rate with your very own battery pack, so you can go and test out how that light's going to look and feel what a real premium quality light should look like. So go and check us out at lightingdoctor.ca, or go watch more videos on YouTube just by searching for The Lighting Doctor. Hey, Jeff, thanks for your email and your pictures. I think you're definitely on the right track. I'll give you just a couple ideas here. I mean, I definitely want to highlight the front of the house here, depending how much room here. The one thing too is, because you have some of this higher second story peaks, what you will want to do is, rather than just a standard uplight like this guy here, you want to use something a little bit brighter. These come, and most uplights come with a standard, what they'll call a 20 watt halogen equivalent lamp, which is a 4 watt LED lamp. But for those areas in front of the house, you probably want to upgrade to a 35 watt equivalent, which is actually a 5 watt LED lamp. And the reason being is because it's just going to do a better job of pushing that light higher up. What I would do is I'd probably actually have 4 across the front here. I would kind of have one behind the cedars and on both sides of the window shutters that's shining straight up. So it's really just kind of grazing the siding of the house and really make this whole backdrop stand up on both sides. I think that would look really good if you were to do that. I think over on this side, I would probably still use those brighter intensity ones. I think what I would do here, though, is I would almost have them underneath the windows, because I want to kind of match what we're going to do over here. So here I'd have them on the side where the shutter is, because I really want to highlight the entryway and then kind of the corner here. And then over here, I think if you had them under the window, that's just kind of shining up and grazing the front facade would be really good. So you basically have 6 across the front here. And then on this side, I would use an uplight as well. Same theme as over here, just kind of under the windows. And just remember, the key is not to bring them out here and shine them in the windows. You're going to have them fairly close to the house, maybe, 12, 18 inches back or so, and have them shining more upright, which is just a good rule of thumb for any uplighting that you're going to do. And then over here, I would use that same light, but here's where I would just use the 4 watt LED. So the 20 watt equivalent, I would have it under both windows, so it just kind of highlights the backdrop here. So that's what I would do there. I think definitely on this flag, just with flag sticks, I would probably use another one of those 35 watt equivalent ones. It's just going to do a better job from experience of highlighting the flag, which is really what you're trying to do. A lot of times people will try and use a very narrow bulb on it, but then the flag's got to be just in the right position. I prefer to use something a little bit brighter, with still a wide angle, so that wherever that flag is blowing, I'm still going to kind of highlight it. So that's what I would do there, is the same uplight that you would have over here, I would have it over here. And then on these 2 taller trees, same thing. I would still use that same brighter one, because the more you can push the light up into that canopy, the better. Obviously, it's very thick, so you're going to lose a lot of that. But I think what I would probably do here, and you can just play with the viewing angle a little bit. One of the nice things that, whenever you get a kit with us, it comes with something called an Instalight, and I don't have it here, but basically what it is, it's basically this little battery pack that you can actually plug the light into, and then you can go and place that light in the ground, plug it into the battery pack, and see how it looks at night and exactly where you want it. My initial thought would probably be to kind of get the lights on the outside here. So over here, that's shining up. Again, not too far from the canopy, maybe somewhere in here that's shining upright. And then over here, I might even want to do this one, I think, from the garage side, because then, like you said, I think you could throw some path and garden lights in here. And I wouldn't overdo it on path and garden lights. I see people do that a lot, but I think what I probably would do is I might just kind of stagger them a little bit. I might throw one a little bit on the corner here,
You could have one here and then one on both edges, just because I think, kind of like you had mentioned in your email, it will kind of create some symmetry in this little area. The other thing you could do too is just kind of stagger it, where you have one here and then one kind of over here. Mind you, this does look like a little bit of a bigger area with those rock beds. So I might even do one over here, one kind of in here, and then one kind of over in here. And then you can continue across the front of the house here. The way I like using the path lights though is I like not overdoing them and staggering in between where I have those uplights. So say for example, I have my uplight here and here. I might have a path light kind of more on the corner, kind of one in the middle here, and then another one kind of over here, and then another one over here. And then same thing over here, kind of on the corner here, here, and here. So, you'd maybe be 2 to 3 path lights here. You'd maybe have 1, 2, 3, another 4 or so over here, another 3 or 4 over here, but really have them spread out in between where you have those uplights. So that's probably what I would do. Yes, you could definitely fit those all in one transformer. 150 watt transformer and wiring kit like this would easily handle that load of lights. You'd have your wire, your waterproof connectors and everything. So that's probably what I would do. I think that's very similar to kind of what you were thinking. So I think you're definitely on the right track. If you need help customizing a kit based on that, let me know. You can always go on the website too and just, add those different lights to your cart. You can even just choose the upgrade to the 35 watt equivalent ones, put as many of those as you need, and then add it to your cart, and then just keep going and add the rest of the things. And like I said, you could add that other wiring kit that you need. But if you need more help with it, please just let us know, and we can always customize something for you as well.
It's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. This is the DBRY waterproof landscape lighting connectors. These are great for long-lasting, low-voltage landscape lighting connections. Each one of these tubes is gel filled to help keep the water out, as well as it's got a snapping mechanism to keep your wires from pulling apart, which ensures that you're going to have long-lasting connections for all your low-voltage landscape lighting. So what you're going to find in your try it before you buy it landscape lighting kit is 4 things. You're going to find our RS uplighting fixture from FX Luminaire. You're going to find our wash lighting fixture from FX Luminaire, and you're going to find our path lighting fixture from FX Luminaire, which are 3 of the most used lights that we use in any of our landscape lighting projects. And along with that, it's going to come with a King Innovation Instalight, which is a battery pack that's going to allow you to go and test out these lights on your property to see which lights are going to look best where. The Try It Before You Buy It kit is a chance for you to go and feel the difference between a good quality light and a premium quality fixture and the poor quality lighting that you're going to find online and in a lot of other stores. So you get to test those lights out for 14 days, go and plug them in, test them out on your property, see what's going to look best. And if you don't love it, you send it back to us and you get a full refund. And if you do, you keep those lights at a discounted rate and you just get whatever else you need. So this is a great tool that we use to go and demo different types of lights to find out what light is going to look best where. So all it is, it's a very simple battery operated pack that just takes 8 AA batteries. And then what you can do with it is you can actually go and plug in your light, whatever light it is, whether it be a path light, a wash light, a wall light, or an accent light. You can go and just plug that into your Instalight, and you can go walk around your property and test out all the different areas that you're thinking of lighting and seeing which lights look best in which location and where you want to position those lights to get the best effect that you're looking for. It's a super easy tool that comes in all our do-it-yourself kits, as well as our Try It Before You Buy It offers, where you can go and now test out these lights, feel the quality, see how they're going to look before you go and make any big decisions on your landscape lighting project. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys got some great do-it-yourself landscape lighting tips. Now, please be sure to go to our website at lightingdoctor.ca and check out our how-to page. It's full of great resources, from our podcast to our video to our most frequently asked questions. And also check out our Try It Before You Buy It light, where you can actually go now and get one of our premium quality uplights and a King Innovation Instalight, which is basically a battery pack now that allows you to go and run those lights and test them out on your property. Try it for 14 days. If you don't love it, send it back to us and we'll give you a full refund. And if not, you keep the light at a discounted rate and go and buy what you need for your project. So thanks again for watching. Please be sure to leave us a comment. We'd love your feedback. Have a great day.